Hi there, you're welcome. I'm going to show you how to use media from the media bin in your project. Now I need to get some of this media into my project and make it work somehow. If I double click on the clip, I can preview it. Let me double click on the picture to view it. You see. Good. Now let me close this out. Now let me go down the bin to double click on the video clip. You see again. Nice. Let me close that out and go ahead and drag it down here to the timeline. If I want to, I can view it on the canvas. Let's try it with some audio. Here I'm going to double click to preview. Yeah, sounds good. Going to drag it down here to the timeline and look at that. There wasn't an empty track, but great Camtasia, you made one for me. Now, if I wanted to, I could edit this track to fit perfectly with the video. Move the playhead to this point of the clip and select it. Click the split tool on the left to divide the clip, then select the unwanted clip and press the delete key. Should I go ahead and add some sound effect? I've got some sound effect. Let me show you. Let me drag this one to the timeline. Look at that. Camtasia makes a new track for me. Now I've got my video, I've got my audio, I've got my sound effects. Let's give it a quick listen. Looking better and better. Let's go ahead and add one more. I'm going to go ahead and add a voiceover here. Just drag it down to the timeline and voila! Camtasia makes a new track for me. Now I have a voiceover, I've got some sound effects, I've got music, and I've got my video. I've now added 4 tracks to my project. How about an image? Now images are a little different. They have a lot more flexibility when it comes to duration. I'm going to show you here images. I have a couple of images. Now I'm just going to put one of these at the end. Let's see how that looks. If I want to change the duration, I can drag it this way, I can drag it that way. Pretty much it can go on forever. It's different than a video clip. Video clips has a finite duration, whereas images can pretty much go on forever. Now you can see how you could work with more media to make it work for your project. So there you go. You now have the steps for adding any kinds of additional media to your timeline. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.